Welcome, children. Let us move ahead. We were going through the lesson, second number lesson, that is Vyasane Mitra Pariksha. Now let us see. Saha achintayat. He thought. Achintayat is a kriyapad of lang lakar, that is past tense, and saha is a sarvanam, means he, and achintayat means thought. He thought. Idanim mitranyeva sharanam mama. Mitranyeva again has got two words, mitrani plus eva. Idanim, now. The situation is such that now mitrani eva. Mitrani means friends. Eva means only. Sharanam mama are my resort. Now I have to surrender only to my friends. Durat tat pashan Jambukah manasi ananditah. Durat, from a long distance. Tat pashan. Pashan is again present continuous tense, means it is a dhatu sadhit visheshan. While seeing, he was, Jambukah means Shrugalha, that means the jackal who was observing all this from a distance. Manasi ananditah. Manasi, in his mind. Saptami Vibhakti, it is a naam. Ananditah was very happy. He was pleased inside his mind because whatever was his intention was seeing getting fulfilled. Saha achintayat. So chintayat has got again two words. Saha plus achintayat. Again, achintayat is past tense. See, in the upper line you can see these two words are written separately. Saha and achintayat. And in the next line which we are seeing now, two words are combined. Sandhi has been observed. So both the words you can see in two ways. In first line they are written separately, and in second line they are combined and the sandhi is observed. So he thought, Falitam me manoratham. Manoratham, wish. Falitam has been successful. Whatever I had desired, that is successful. Idanim prabhutam bhojanam prapsyami. Idanim, now. Prabhutam, lot of. Bhojanam, food. Prapsyami, I will get. It is future tense. Lut lakar. Prapsyami is a kriyapad of future tense. Now I will get a lot of food because the deer is a huge animal. That much food is sufficient for him for at least a week. So Prabhutam is the visheshan of bhojanam. Now I will get a lot of food. Mrugastam društva abravit. Mrugastam. Again here you will find two words combined. Mrugaha plus tam. Tam means to him. To him means to the jackal. Društva, seeing. Seeing him. Mrugaha abravit. The deer abravit said. Again it is a kriyapad of past tense. Mitra Chindhi tavan mama bandhanam. Mitra, oh friend. Chindhi is a kriyapad of lot lakar, means break, cut. Tavan mama has got again two words. Tavat plus mama. Bandhanam means the trap. Please cut the trap in which I am caught. Please cut that. Trayasva mam. Trayasva is again a kriyapad of lot lakar. Trayasva means to save, and mam means to me. It is a pronoun. Please save me. Please cut this trap and save me. Because Mruga was thinking, deer was thinking the jackal to be his friend. And he thought now the friends are going to help me. So he wanted to have help from the jackal. Jambuko duradeva avadat. Jambuko duradeva avadat. See these two words properly. Again it is a sandhi. Jambukaha plus durat plus eva plus avadat. So four words are written in two words. Jambukaha plus durat, where ta is halanta, plus eva plus avadat. Avadat is lang lakar past tense. Durat again from a distance only. The jackal did not come near him, and he said from a distance itself, Mitra drudhoyam bandhaha. Mitra drudhoyam. Drudha plus ayam. Drudha means very tight, very thick. Ayam means this, and bandha means this trap. This trap is very thick, very tight. स्नायुनिर्मितान् पाशान् एतान् कथं वा व्रतदिवसे स्पृशामि. Snayu means the body parts. Snayu means muscles. Nirmitan. Pashan etan. The trap was made up of the muscles. So he said they are made up of muscles. Pashan plus etan. Two words are combined. Snayu nirmitan. These trap threads which are made up of snayu, that is the muscles. Katham va vratam divase. Vratam divase, I have some kind of vrat today. I am observing some type of puja today. So, how can I touch? Sprushami means is to touch. How can I touch those trap threads which are made up of the muscles? इत्युक्त्वा सः समीपमेव वृक्षस्य पृष्ठतः निवृत्तं स्थितः. इत्युक्त्वा इति प्लस उक्त्वा. इति plus uktva, and uktva is dvanta avyay. Note it down. So saying thus, saha he, samipam plus eva, just nearby. Vrukshasya prushthatah. Prushthatah means at the back of. Note down the antonym of prushthatah, that is puratah. Puratah means in front of, and prushthatah means at the back of. Back of what? Vrukshasya, tree. Nibhrutam, hidden. Sthitah means stood. It is a dhatu sadhit avyay. Sorry, dhatu sadhit visheshan. Sthitah is dhatu sadhit visheshan. So saying thus, he hid himself at the back of a tree which was just nearby. He did not show himself. Pradosha kale mrugam anvishan kakah tatropasthitah. Pradosha kale in the evening. Mrugam Anvishan. Mrugam plus Anvishan. Anvishan is the third present continuous tense Kriyapad which we have seen till now. Anvishan means while searching. Kakah tatra upasthita. Again, three words are combined. Kakah plus tatra plus upasthita. In the evening, Mrugam Anvishan Kakah, the crow was searching him for the whole day. And ultimately in the evening, while searching him, the crow reaches there. Upasthitah is again dhatu sadhit visheshan. Tatra means there. He reached there. Mrugam tathavidham drushtva sa uvacha. Tathavidham, in that condition, he was trapped. He was caught in the trap. So seeing the deer trapped, sa uvacha. Drushtva is tvanta avyay means seeing. Seeing the deer in that condition, sa uvacha, he said. Sa uvacha is again saha uvacha. He said, sakhe kim etat, O friend, kim plus etat. What is this? O friend, what is this? Mrugena uktam. Then it was said by the deer. Mrugena plus uktam. Two words are combined. The deer said, Surudvakyasya anadarat baddhah aham. Surudvakya, the words which was said by Surud, that is friend. So Surud is the synonym of Mitram. The words which was said by my friend, anadarat. Anadarat is Panchami Vibhakti, that means because disrespecting, because not listening to the words or advice of my friend, baddhah plus aham. I am caught. I am trapped because I did not listen to the advice given by my friend. And it is rightly said. So the next two lines are of a shlok which we are going to see in the next part.